pictures, and I'm at the Dollar Tree and I'm looking at some of their Thanksgiving stuff, their signs. This one says autumn leaves, pumpkin please. This one says gather and give thanks. That says blessed home. Pumpkin patch was beautiful, and the welcome sign. So you can see by my basket, I have some pots, I got some gloves, and I got 2 journaling books that I really need. But this is what I was thinking too. Look at these. You got this one that shows you how to make a pumpkin pie, cinnamon sugar cookies, and then they got these signs, which is cool. And autumn is my favorite color, and the pumpkin patch, which is cool. Then they have just our normal, these are the pots that I got for my seedlings that are doing so well. Then I was looking for the pumpkin picks. They don't have any yet. They just have the gnomes that I already have. So I'm waiting for the pumpkin picks to come out. And normal stuff. So I'm just walking through the store just to see what they have. So let's take a walk and see what we can find. It's all their party stuff. Here, we got all their balloons and their ribbon. So let's go around the corner and see what else we can find. Hi, it's your girl Renee, and I went to another DT store today because I am on a mission. Remember, I went to one DT and I got all my pots and things that I need to plant up my seedlings, but I have been looking for their fall picks, you know, the little metal picks that are pumpkins, sunflowers that you can just stick in the ground, and it can be for Thanksgiving and also for fall. And I needed to pick up some more gloves because I'm gonna tell you why I prefer one type of glove versus the other style. Okay, you guys have seen these gloves in the DT. You know, these are the cloth ones, and they have like the little beads, little balls on the fingers. Well, I brought these gloves, hadn't been like 2 days ago. And so I said, because you know I always have gloves on. I'm not sticking my hands in none of my plants or anything out there without something on my hand, unless they try to bite me, crawl on me. They gonna get to this glove before they get to Miss Renee's hand. You hear me? So I said, let me try my new gloves, because normally I have on my long gloves that come all the way to my elbows, but I needed just some short gloves. So when I'm just harvesting stuff, it'll be quick and easy. Okay, you ready for a little story time? Well, I'm about to tell you a little story time. I was out there, you know, mowing the grass, you know, like I always do, using my little weed whacker, taking care of business, and, you know, pulling up weeds that were in my way that my weed whacker couldn't get. So, child, I was like, why does my finger feel different? So I looked at my hand. This is what I saw. Y'all see that? I've only had this glove 2 days, wore it one time, and this is what happened. All the other gloves are good, but you can see at the top they're still starting to fray a little bit, like this one right here. You see it starting to fray, but this one, the thumb came all the way through. And I was like, you have got to be kidding me. And I know you guys are saying, well, Renee, you know the quality of those gloves are not the best. I know they're not the best, but I at least would think they would last more than one day, correct? So, the gloves that I always buy, and this is just a tip from me to you, my garden family that I love so much, is that I always get the gloves that are like the vinyl, because I like these because when I'm watering my plants, I can get this glove wet, and I don't have to worry about it like the cloth. It'll go and saturate, and your hands inside your gloves will get wet. These ones, when you put these gloves on, you can put these gloves on right here. water with these gloves on, and I'm gonna show you. Because these, I brought two. I brought this pair. Isn't it the cutest little pattern? And then I brought these pair. So let me show you. I love these because, and they give you so much more room than these ones. These ones, my hand was in here, but I have big hands. So when I put my hands in here, my fingers didn't have any room to, like, move around. These gloves don't give. These gloves, see, they're just like the gloves that you wash your dishes and stuff with. So these gloves give. And see how much extra room I have in these gloves over here. Look at that. I got room to move. And these, I can wear these until all this. I couldn't find my old gloves, like my vinyl, because you could see all this stuff right here was peeling off. So it peeled off all the way to where all the color and stuff had left the gloves. It was just white, child. It was like faded out white gloves. Because when us gardeners, when we out in that yard, we are working. We are, any kind of product we using, we are doing some damage. And that's what gloves are supposed to be. They're supposed to be out there, supposed to protect your hands. Now these aren't going to protect your hands like my brown ones, because my brown ones will protect me from like glass, thorns, because that material is really thick and it's made for that purpose. These are just, for little stuff that you don't have to worry about, glass, or you're just picking flowers, pulling weeds, that kind of stuff. This is perfect. Love these because I can hose these down when I'm done, and I just take them and put them somewhere to dry. But that's not the only reason why I came and I was searching so hard in DT. Fall is coming. Everybody's looking for beautiful decor to put in their yard. So I was hunting for those metal picks. So this is what I found, and I was so excited to find these. I found this one because this one says Hello Pumpkin. Look at this, you guys. Isn't this the cutest thing? It has a pumpkin, it has the Shasta daisies, and it has an apple, and it has a gourd, and it also has some pumpkins. Too cute. Stick that in the ground out in the garden, or I think I may incorporate these on my porch this season when I do my Thanksgiving and fall decoration. And then look at this. Oh, I saw this and I said, this is just too adorable, because this year I'm on this sunflower kick, because I planted some sunflowers for the very first time in my garden, and they did so good and they look so pretty that I said I have to get me some picks that have sunflowers. And trust and believe, next season your girl gonna be growing lots and more sunflowers. So my premise is that I wanted to do like a pumpkin flower, and then I would need a pumpkin. And when I saw this pumpkin, it's an unusual pumpkin, but it's a pretty pumpkin. Look at this. It's a white pumpkin. It's almost like a white, but it has like a silvery black, the stem and the leaf. Told you it's not your normal pumpkin, but it's a beautiful pumpkin. And then it has this cool like raised design. It's like a scallop design right here. I'm trying to show you this without, there you go. See the scallop design on the pumpkin, look like little rings, which is so cute. And this is the stem and the little curly hue tendril, and then the leaf. Pretty. And then the last flower I got was another sunflower. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? So I was able to get flower, pumpkin, and then a flower, sunflower, and then a pumpkin, and then I got another one of these sunflower, because I wanted to get another white pumpkin, but they didn't have any more pumpkins, so I decided to just go ahead and get another sunflower. You can't go wrong with a sunflower. You can't. And these, reason why I like these metal picks, because they're weather resistant, and you could get at least a good, I don't know, 3, 4 years out of these picks, because I got those picks from Lowe's. Remember last year? I put them out there, my gnomes, and they are still going strong. So I'll probably incorporate those gnomes that I had out there last season with some of these, or I may put, like I said before, put some of these pumpkins and sunflowers on my front porch once I do my decor for my front porch. And I think that would be just so pretty. So I just want to let you guys know about the gloves. Let me know down in the comments what gloves you prefer. Do you prefer the vinyl ones, the ones you can wash with, spray off with your water and your hands don't get wet, or do you like the cloth ones with the little beads on them? Let me know, vinyl or the cloth. I'm going for this one because I like to be out there working hard, spray my gloves off, and keep it moving, child. Keep it moving, especially when I'm washing off of my harvest, my okra, my tomatoes. I like to have some gloves that can stand the test of time, child. Stand the test of time. So I just wanted to bring you this um, second part of me trying to figure out where I could find my metal picks, and I'm so excited because I was able to find them and also to find my garden gloves. Yep, yep, yep. Oh, and I got one more thing I need to show you. Hold on. Hey guys, this is like something, it's a product you guys have to go and try when you're in the DT store. I've been hunting this down forever, and then I found out that they have a body wash that goes with this same line. You guys want to know what it is? I purchased the spray because I love sprays. That's just my thing. I love all different kind of fragrances and sprays, body sprays. So this one is is by Power Stick. I know you guys, well, if you haven't, or if you've been now, start looking for this brand. It's called Power Stick, and the name of the scent is Brazilian Mist. Child, you talking about a body spray that smells so good. Now, I'm not getting paid anything to tell you guys this, but this right here, don't sleep on this. Take a good look at it. Brazilian Mist, and it's in the DT store. Child, I'm telling you, I wish you could have smell videos or smell-o-vision, because this right here, oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness, this smells so good. So now your girl is on the hunt for this Brazilian Mist body wash. Yep, I'm going to go to the DT store tomorrow. I'm going to pick up a few more of these cans so I can have a spare, because I don't know about you guys as DT, but I know when there's something popular in the store, like these picks that I couldn't find because everybody and their mama wanted these, it took me forever to track them down. So now this is the next hot commodity that's popular at the DT store. So your girls, like I said, gonna pick up some more of these, and I'm looking for the body wash. All right, you guys, let me know if you guys have tried this Brazilian Mist body spray, or if you have tried the a Brazilian Mist body wash. Tell me what you think of it, and if you love it, you got some good taste, child, because this right here, because I've tried other scents from this company called Power Stick, and some of them scents, no. Next time I'm in the DT and I see the other scents that come in this brand, I will show you guys, and I would tell you, I will smell it and be like, nope, this is not the one. But this one right here is the one. Look at it again. Come on, camera. Focus for you, girl. Come on. Focus, focus. So y'all can see Brazilian mist. Don't sleep on this, because this is a good scent. Alright guys, that's all I wanted to show you today. We talked about the picks, we talked about the gloves, we talked about the other stuff that I purchased, and I'm going to go pick up some of those signs, those wooden signs, because I'm going to put those on the side of my door, because I only buy the wooden signs when I know they're not going to get exposed to the elements outside, because you know them signs are only $1.25, and if the rain or they get wet, then they start to peel, or they just don't look right after the first season. So that's why I try to stay with the metal signs. All right, guys. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're having a blessed day. And Miss Renee will be keeping her eyes open when I'm out in them YouTube streets, trying to figure out what are good and what things are bad. And I'm gonna come right back here and report to my garden family, so you guys will be able to jump on the deals just like I am. Because it's all about saving some money, and the money that we spend, we want to spend it on good quality products. All right, guys, take care. Don't forget, if you're into the picks, you better get out there and find those picks. I don't know about you, but I had a hard time finding my gloves. And the discovery of the day, this Brazilian mist. There you go, camera. All right now. It's telling you, don't sleep on this product. All right, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Go try this. Let me know what you think.